How to verify or change age on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you verify or change age on TikTok. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that you will be only able to verify or add your age while you are creating your TikTok account, and if you have gave wrong birthday while you are creating your account, simply if you want to change it from your account, open your TikTok. After you open TikTok with your account, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. From your profile section, tap on three lines at the top right. From here, tap on settings and privacy. And from here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option report a problem. From here, tap on account and profile. And from here, simply tap on the option editing profile. From here, tap on other. And from here, simply scroll down and tap on need more help. And from the TikTok support section, you'll have to just briefly explain your problem like your birth date was entered incorrectly. Simply you'll have to state your actual date of birth and ask for the correction. After you provide it, TikTok may ask for one of the following like a selfie with your government issue ID, unique code, or your credit card authorization. After you verify with the verification document, you'll be able to change your birthday or verify your age on TikTok. So TikTok usually responds within 3 to 7 days. It may take longer due to request volume. Be patient. From there, you can easily change that. If this helped you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.